Okay, today we're learning Empty Space by James Arthur. This one's in standard tuning. You will capo the first fret, and we have all basic beginner open chords, so this one should be really fun to learn. I'll break down the strumming pattern that happens during the verses. It's a little bit muted, but we'll go over that. And yeah, my name is Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. Let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about the chords and the song form here. So the song form is pretty simple. We've got a verse 1, a verse 2, which is a little bit different at the end of it. Then we've got a full-on strum during the chorus, a post-chorus, and then we've got a verse, a chorus, the post-chorus, and kind of a bridge type of a thing that kind of takes us out of the song, all right? Pretty hooky type of a thing. Pretty fun song to play. So let's talk about the chords. So everything is relative to the capo at the first fret. So we've got a C, standard C chord. We've got a G/B. If you've never played that one, it's just like a G chord, but you get rid of the middle finger and pull it back. So that's your index finger at the 2nd fret, 5th string, and your 3rd finger at the 3rd fret, 2nd string. And I kind of put my pinky back here on the 3rd fret, 1st string too, so I can get them all in there. It kind of sounds a little bit fuller, but really you can do the index, 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and just strum those middle 4. Which I think is pretty much what he's doing in the song. I like the sound of adding this 1st string, 3rd fret as well with my pinky. So that's how I'm going to play it. And then we've got an F, but I'm going to let you guys off the hook today, and we're not going to do an F bar chord. We're going to do an F, kind of an open chord shape, which sounds really pretty in the key of C relative to the capo. So what we're going to do is we're going to play 3rd fret, 5th string, pinky on, that's 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, pinky, 3rd fret, 4th string, and then middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, index finger, 1st fret, 2nd string, and you're going to strum the bottom 5 strings. Really, with that 1st string open there, it's an F major 7th chord. Super pretty in the key of C, or anytime you can play it. Okay, so again, 3rd finger, 5th string, 3rd fret, pinky, 4th string, 3rd fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, index finger, 1st fret, 2nd string. Strum from the 5th string down. And that is all the chords you need for this song. Literally C, G/B, and F, major 7th. Okay, let's talk about the order of the chords in the strumming pattern here. We have this pattern that's kind of like on the C. We'll do it on the C. We've got down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now I'm going to literally do that for the entire song. But during the verses, we're going to kind of palm mute it. If you haven't done that, basically, you have to put your palm back here to where you can feel the bridge, and you kind of have to keep your strumming going. So if you haven't done that before, it can be a little tricky, but I'd like to encourage you to try it. If you haven't done it, and you just want to play the song now to impress whoever you're trying to impress, you can just do it open, right? Impress yourself. That's what you should start with. All right, so look, check it out. We're going to break down the strumming pattern really slow. We've got down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So really slowly, you've got down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, so let me walk you through that strumming pattern through the first verse again. So we've got, with the muted part, so we've got down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. G/B, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And you can hear every once in a while I'm coming off of the strings so that I'm not muting them so you can hear them ring. So then we go to the F, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. One time through the pattern to G, full G chord, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. All right, now we're going to go to C. Keep the muted thing going. If the muted thing is hard, you could just strum lightly and not mute at all. So C, 2nd half of the verse. G/B. F. One time on the pattern. G, one time on the pattern. Now this is where it changes. F again. Down, up, down, 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 up, G, down. Down, 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 up. So that is the verse. Okay, verse 1, verse 2. Just remember on verse 2, or the 2nd half of the first verse, you're going F, to G, just like the first verse, and first half of the verse, and then you're going F to G again. All right, and then the chorus, full strum. Now it's a little easier. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up to G/B, down, 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 up, down, F, down, up, down, G, C. B, F, down, 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 up, G, and then you've got the post-chorus thing, all right? So it's C, same thing, so down, down, G/B, F, G, back to the muted part for the third verse. To G/B, to the F, to G. This verse is only half as long. F to G again. G, back to the chorus, which is the same thing we did earlier. So now the only thing left is kind of the shout chorus at the end, or if you want to call it a bridge, you can. So it's literally just a full strum, C, same thing we did for the chorus. So it's basically the chorus chords, G/B, down, 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 up, down, F, G, back to C, down, 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 up, down, 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 G/B, F, G, and the song ends kind of it just stops. There's no chord. He just ends on one last little lyric there. And yeah, that is the end of the song. All right, that's everything you need to know to play Empty Space by James Arthur. Hope you learned something today. If you did, please hit like and subscribe. We really appreciate the support. And yeah, we want to provide as much value as we possibly can to the beginner guitar community out there. So if you have any song suggestions, please put them in the comments below and just let us know how we're doing so we can improve on each one of our new videos. Have a good day.